Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today CATIA lecture 10 is discussed here, and today very important point you can see here. This is a corner point. Today CATIA all command learn easily, and today is very important point and corner point is discussed here. Okay, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA interface, and this is today use a corner command. Corner command use a CATIA software. Okay, this is a click a corner command use a this rectangle. You can see here first is a trim all element, second trim first element, no trim, this a standard line trim, this is a construction line trim, this is a construction line no trim. 6 to 6 corner is you can say here. This is a very important trim all elements. Okay, select already here, and this first point and second point click here, and this is a okay possible click. Okay, this is a and corner is 20. Okay, length is a 180, and this is a corner is radius 20. Okay, next point is a draw here this point and this point you can see here. Okay, this is a 20. Okay, and next point double click, and this point and this point is a okay, and this is a 20, and this is a 20. All corner all four corner is radius equal, and design is you can say here. Okay, and this is a all other point. This is a trim first point, this first point and second point you can see trim here, trim first point. Okay, not first, this is a trim first point, not second point, and this is a no trim first and second is a okay no trim, last is a this point and this point is a this is a standard line trim, this is a standard line trim, this is a not trim. Okay, and this is a construction line trim. Okay, this point and this point. Okay, this is a construction line trim, and again this point you can see here. Okay, this is a construction line trim. Okay, okay guys, corner all point discuss here, and next lecture 11 is coming soon, or 11th lecture is chamfer. Okay, very important topic. Okay guys, thank you.